little drops of water and little grains of sand makes the mighty ocean and a beautiful world. Hello world, this is RED for Fitness by Abhinav Brown. Today's topic of discussion is why do we eat food? So before digging into the main topic, let's discuss about human body composition first. Our human body is composed of various tissues, bones, muscles and organs. So five major organs in human body are brain, heart, kidneys, lungs and liver. So our brain continuously performs neurological function for us. Our heart continuously pumps the blood into the body to provide oxygen and nutrients. And our kidney continuously filters the blood to make urine, which is then expelled out of body. In short, every organ is continuously performing some work, even if we are at rest or sleeping. And apart from this, there are thousands of reactions which goes in our body to sustain life. So all these organs and all these chemical reactions which are taking place in our body require some energy source. So this energy source comes from the food we eat. Apart from this, the food we eat is also required for our body growth in order to sustain life. So let's discuss more about what does our food basically contains. So our food basically contains two parts, macronutrients and micronutrients. Now we have three terms in front of us, nutrient, macro and micro. So nutrient is any substance in the food which is required for sustaining life. Macro means on large scale. So macronutrients are the things which are required in large quantity to sustain life. Micro means small. So micronutrients are the things which are required on small quantities in order to live and grow. Now macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fat and water, whereas micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. So basic energy which comes from food comes from the macronutrients, carbohydrates, fat and protein. So 1 gram of carbohydrate gives us 4 kilocalories of energy. 1 gram of protein also gives us 4 kilocalories of energy, whereas 1 gram of fat gives us 9 kilocalories of energy. So this is the basic about why do we eat food and what does food basically contains. So let me summarize these concepts in the explanation video. Kindly have a look.
Let me summarize whatever we have discussed so far. So human body contains organs such as heart, brain, liver, kidney and lungs, and there are tons of chemical reactions which goes in our body in order to sustain life. So the food we eat gives us energy which is required for the proper functioning of these organs and to support these chemical reactions in order to live and grow. Food basically contains two parts, macronutrients and micronutrients. So, macronutrients are the nutrients which we take in macro quantities. Macro means large quantities in grams. So these are carbohydrates, proteins, fats and water. Micro means in small quantities, so whatever nutrients which we get from food in small quantities like in milligrams or micrograms are micronutrients. These are vitamins and minerals. Basic energy which we get from food comes from these major macronutrients, carbohydrate, proteins and fat. So carbohydrate gives us 4 kilocalories of energy per gram. So 1 gram of carbohydrate gives us 4 kilocalories of energy. Similarly, protein also gives us 4 kilocalories of energy per gram, whereas fat gives us 9 kilocalories of energy per gram. Water doesn't give us any energy, so let me write it as 0 kilocalories per gram. So this is the basic of food. What does food basically contains, and why do we eat food? So there are other terms such as nutrient density, bioavailability. So for such concepts, I'll be launching a separate video in future. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be also explaining you how does the ratio of macronutrients actually affects our health and physical appearance.
Kindly like, subscribe and share this video to raise the awareness of fitness among family and friends. Have a wonderful day. God bless.